Hey everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel. Now if you're new here, a lot of the tool reviews I do are Harbor Freight. I do them as I buy them. I recently did a tool refresh of almost my entire tools and I replaced them with mostly all Harbor Freight. So if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. And I do projects as well on my channel. So we're going to talk about this PITTSBURGH Pro 60 Professional Punch and Chisel Set. PITTSBURGH is, Harbor Freight's bottom line. If you're familiar with Harbor Freight, they also got the Icon line as well. But they do have a lifetime warranty on this, which is pretty good. You break it, bring it in, they give you a new one, no questions asked. So we're going to go over to Harbor Freight website, look at it real quick, then we'll come back and unpackage it. And here we are on the Harbor Freight website. And if you look at this, the regular price of this is $12.99. Of course, I got it recently with that 30% off coupon for 5 items under $20. And if you look at the feedback rating on this, it's actually pretty good. 96%. User removed some strip nuts, worked perfectly. Was surprised at the quality and price. The hand grips and the chisels and punches are perfect for protecting your hands. If you make an off-center strike, it lands in the plastic collar and not your hand. Well, I never thought about that, but yeah, that is pretty good. And they are durable and effective tools. And that's comparing it to this Clutch 39,961. Not familiar with that brand at all, but it says, we're not going to go there, but that one is $39.99. All right, let's get back to it. All right, let's go to package this. And this does how it comes. I didn't really have to look through a lot of these for quality. Sometimes the PITTSBURGH stuff, you have to kind of look through 3 of them that, look at the quality. Sometimes there's imperfections with them. I have noticed that on the open end wrenches. All right, so this opens up like that. These just come out. Yeah, like that one guy said in their review, yeah, if you're hitting this, and you hit this rather than your hand. So here's the different types of chisels. Got 3 different chisels here. Of course, you're gonna pound that in there. And then your 3 different types of punches. They look like they're built pretty well. Not really, I don't know what kind of steel these are, but yeah, I think they'd hold up pretty well. I do got other bunch of chisels and punches as well, so I just thought I'd add that to my collection. And I'll probably put them in this drawer over here with the rest of my chisels and punches. And not really much to say about this. I mean, you could keep them stored in here if you want. It takes up extra room. I am not. I'll throw that in the recycle bin, and I'm just going to put these in my drawer. All right, guys. That's about it. Not really much to say about these. If you have any questions, put in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.